This song was written actually 5 years ago. And for me, at the time when I wrote it, I was going through a very difficult time. I had become a mother. And for those of you who are parents know that it's not an easy job raising children. And I have 3 little ones, my oldest is 5. And for me, it was a life-altering experience for me, knowing that there are things in this life we have no control over, and the struggles that we go through, the only way we can get through them is just to keep pressing forward. And so this song was born out of my struggle, learning how to be a mom and learning to work with my husband and being parents. And so hopefully you guys can relate to what I shared in this song. And it's called, well, actually, I just called it My Struggle. But I have a medley in this song with Whitney Houston's song, I Look to You, so I hope you enjoy it. Sorry, my hands are cramping up. Y'all are staring at me playing. Because I know you guys are eager, it's like, ooh, this girl has 5 fingers. So this will be interesting, but sorry, I'm just gonna explain to you. I did learn to play the piano since I was young. The keyboard was always there growing up, and the one thing I love about the piano is it shows me that I am capable of doing so much in life, and I think that's for all of us. We tend to focus on the things that we don't have, when really we are so blessed if we just focus on the blessings that we do have. So, yeah.
Hear me
my seniors here. They're so awesome. I'm gonna quickly introduce them. So I've been singing with all of these three for a really long time, and so I'm so grateful to them for helping me out tonight. Far left is Heamasi Mataele. Yes. And then in the middle is Emmeline Gastati. We've been singing since we were in diapers. And then this is my my baby sister, Katsura Tawo. And I've been singing with her since she was wearing diapers. So it's just awesome for me to have them there. I can always turn to my family to help me, even if they don't want to. I'm like, nah, please. But I'm just so grateful to them, and just grateful to all of you that we can be here to at least help you guys feel something. If you do, I want you to know that that's love that you're feeling, because that's what I feel. And just like Tama said, that we are brothers and sisters here, and